Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader, and this is Perrine. And yes, let's see what we do today. We are testing a couple new things today. We are actually trading also Top Step. This is futures. We say at some point we were going to include this, and we are
Absolutely.
including that today. So, but yeah, we are. It's just it's not the day trading main thing that I will be doing, but like I will be sharing whatever I do with it. So basically, like right now, I have an order to go short at 6,881 and 75 cents. So I'm getting little contracts there because I don't know. I'm getting just 3 instead of 10. I like to trade with 10, but yeah, because I don't know. I like my only experience with this product was during an Asian session, and that was last Sunday. So because I don't know that, I basically would like to just wait for it and see if 3 contracts is too much risk for my trade area,
Okay.
or if it is the right amount. So I probably won't get that because the market doesn't look like if it wants to bounce too aggressively. So then we won't be looking long until we print around 680, 6,848. That will be our long point. But yeah,
Okay.
right now, let's let it do whatever it wants to do. And I remember I say I don't want to day trade this thing. Like I want to, but like it's a bad idea to not day trade it because it's very easy to do it. It's not like yeah.
Is it?
Well, compared to stocks, I find it easier to manage. And yeah, but we will see. Yeah. So how are you doing, Marie, today?
I'm doing well,
What can you tell me?
Davey. I'm doing well, Davey.
Nice.
It's nice. It's Tuesday. Was able to get a lot accomplished. So
Nice.
I'm very pleased with that.
The question will be when you're done. Like
Aha.
you never stop.
Come on now.
Yeah, like this lady never
Look
stops.
who's
Like,
talking.
her weekends is
Thanks.
like she doesn't even have time to go and watch a movie. Could you imagine that?
Oh God. Yay. Can I can I put that behind? So
Yeah.
if we're busy, maybe I won't smack you.
You mean the
Yes,
level
here.
2? Yeah. Can I have it? Oh la la. I thought we'd save the layout.
I know.
Oh, I did it wrong. My bad. So it's this one and this one like that. There we go.
Thank you.
If you can please save the layout on that, just like that it doesn't happen again. But like.
Yeah, I do every time I close, but let's save it right now again.
Right, so I'm holding a trade that I had since last week somewhere. I think maybe Thursday or Friday. I don't remember exactly, but I know I have this INTC still open. And I have no stress about that trade. I really, really, really don't care what INTC is going to do. I think it need to pull back a little bit more.
Okay.
So I'm like exercising my confidence on that trade. It's not a day trade anymore, that trade, but like I will be taking some day trade on Nvidia probably. As today might be one of those days that Nvidia may bleed a lot. So
Okay.
we're gonna wait for that and we will see what it wants to do. But yeah, at some point we're gonna have our friend Zach coming to the streaming, I guess. I don't know. I think he is trading today, I guess. So I just need to check a couple things here. So, do you know if we have any relevant news today?
No, I do not.
The market took a swank there, like I like to say it like that, but like I don't know why. Like I know this Greenland problem is getting a little bit edgy everywhere, but
Yes, now NATO is meeting, emergency meeting.
yeah.
So it's I agree with you.
But yeah, like I gonna check the news. So I know we have still time. Like we have 15 minutes for the open, so I have a long time to wait for. So I have my order to get SPY short. Well, SPY S&P 500 now because contracts and like let's see what.
And
happens.
what is your level to get a short?
I can share that with you for sure. I remember I wanted to share that with you long ago. So basically, I'm trying to go short. You want the levels or you want the short? My short idea.
6885.
6881.
Okay.
Am I trading a different contract than you?
You say 6881.
Yes. Oh yeah. If you click the A in the chart, the 8 below the price, because right now you are way above and the price is way below.
I don't understand, Davey, what you're talking about.
All right. So let's see what I am trading.
But we were close in levels.
No, but because I have 6. Oh yeah, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
Man, is that it is moving that much?
Yeah.
So 6, like I have also my the strongest level toward the downside that I have is like it's on top, but I will be looking short from there. Is 6,088 and 6,887 with 25.
Okay, I've got the same but 50, so very close.
Cool. So looking for news. Dumbo, go down. Go down, buddy. Yeah, there is the ADP employment change weekly, which is a number that we are getting since these numbers start getting sketchy, and yeah, it's a positive 8,000. So we have the red book at 855, which came out at 5.7%. Then we have nothing until 11:30. At 11:30, we have the 3-month bill options, the 52-week bill option, and the 6-month bill option. At 4:30, that's after the market close, we have the API crude oil stock change.
Okay.
But yeah, more than that, that's it. It's a quite light day on news. So that's a good thing because we can exercise our idea a little bit better. But I don't know if this, if before the open we're gonna get like another type of news, because it doesn't make sense to me that the market will sink the way it did unless there is some major global concern, which I think.
Well, I think United States possible war with NATO.
Yeah, exactly. So
That's kind of
possible. Hey, what's up, Tico? We are not doing any song. Like this is a trading. So those charts that you see here, there's no audio chart. Those are price charts. So yeah, this is about trading, my friend. So all right. So I have this level here that have been like rejecting. I have been rejecting the 680.70. I mean the 6,870. But man.
You got a level there?
Yeah, I have a level right there. 6,870. But it doesn't look like if you want to go through. And when we are looking at the tape right now, there is like heavy selling going on. Yeah, sellers are stronger right now than buyers, so we have to wait for that.
I agree with you. We still have a few.
Oh, I forgot to do that thing. That's why I'm very sorry about that, but I cannot change it anymore. It's okay. All right, so
I'm gonna go back and see if I can see. Okay.
we're gonna take a quick look at SPY. Yeah.
Let's look at SPY. And
Like,
look at a
you saw
couple
the
of
swonk?
tapes. What a swonk.
This swonk.
The swonk, you like saying that, eh?
Oh yeah, it's a funny word. Though
Swonk.
I think it doesn't exist. Or it does. I don't know.
No, I think
No.
swank.
Swank.
but I'm not sure the swank does, but swank.
Swank.
But still, it looks good. It sounds good.
So I'm gonna SPY whatever I can see it. Right now, interesting price for me on the SPY will be roughly 688. So let's see.
Okay, so 679.50. So that's almost a low today for SPY. We've got a big position there at 50. And not a whole lot below that. So 50s on both tape, possibly oof. Nothing supported between 679.20. Wow, eh? What big changes. Like you say, Davey. Great job on setting yourself up for the weekend. And trading.
Yeah. That was fun. So NVIDIA. So I'm gonna have only 2 levels for NVIDIA. If you decide to not hold, I'm not fighting too much with it.
So I'm just going to point out a couple of tickets that, as we usually do, that are high on RVOL. We're close to 5 minutes before. So we've got the Qs, that's number 1 in RVOL. PDD, number 2. IREN, number 3. NVDL, number 4, which always interesting. And QSI, 5s. NVO and RXRX, 6 and 7. IBIT,
180.81.
and
Uh, 183.23.
so when the market closed on Friday, it was quite mixed. Let's see what goes on. I'm looking now at several tickers on top.
Right, so there we go. And this looks so shorts. It's tricky thing.
RSI is creeping up. And this is on S&P.
So I have an order to go short on NVIDIA.
Okay. So the Qs are top volume, top RVOL.
So I'm gonna take only 2 contracts, but I'm gonna go short on this SPY right away. Or is no reason why to hold. Okay, this is gonna be very
Order
experimental.
filled.
There we go. So
Everything seems to be close to the popping.
yeah,
But
uh-huh.
we will see. Right now, I'm just going to go back in that one. Okay.
Hey, what's up, my guy? Yeah, like that short that I took in there is just, it's very low amount. It's just to see what it wants to do. If it's gonna work or not. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna be out with a small loss. So, my guy. What's up?
Hello,
Allô, ça va?
Also,
bien vous?
Très bien, très bien.
wait.
What a dive that spy took.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy, crazy. So was there news or something? Do you know anything about it?
I really don't know exactly why it tanked the way it tanked.
Well,
but,
when we're looking at, we were just stipulating, but when we're looking at the global situation, with what's happening with Greenland, NATO is meeting up, emergency
And,
meeting, him
Putin
going
said-
all ape on Norway because of the Peace Prize.
yeah, you saw that thing? It's like, our president there to receive prizes or to do a job, you know? Like, what the heck are you doing, my guy?
Hey, he's collecting trophies.
You know that Putin defended NATO? Like they say that Greenland is that like a Denmark country?
The world is going berserko as he's taking over. Ay, ay, ay.
I saw a lot of memes and jokes about like we thought that the first war was gonna be NATO against Russia. What a
Yeah.
plot twist!
It's gonna be, yeah, but like, I don't think we're gonna get that far, you know? I'm positive about that. But like, man, this guy.
Yup.
So as I say, that I know that that trade I took there is a shot to the moon that shouldn't work, but the market was looking kind of sketchy, so I decided to take a little trade there. We got Nvidia, which is
Order filled.
yeah, there we go. We got out. So now we're gonna get the actual position. Come on, my guy, what are you doing? So I want to go SPY short right there. Let's get 3.
Order filled.
Yeah, there we go. That one we're gonna keep the stop loss, the original stop loss,
Okay.
because if I am right, that one should be working. So the one that is working right now is Nvidia, but like it's looking sketchy, so we're gonna wait for it. So yeah, the China session is a little bit different. So
Is it?
Yeah, it's easier to trade because it moved way less. I told you I was going with 10 contract. If I go with 10 contract here, I'm gonna get smoked right away. Though I can add there and just shrink my stop loss because I think I'm right.
Okay.
So let's see if he wants to go back and test my level. No, I don't have to, you know. What's up, Dumbo? Oh yeah. Yeah, I can go 6 contract. From
You
what I
think
can
so?
see. Yeah. So we're gonna start partialing on Nvidia. So this Nvidia here, that makes sense to take a little bit there.
Good job, good job.
So then we go back to futures. So now my brain is gonna be is really split. Man, I should add to that, but I didn't add. So yeah, for sure I should be adding, but like it's okay. No stress, my guy. No stress. Did you took any trade? No.
Twice it got me out.
But I try to be patient today. Like, I always get smoke on the day that I'm not there long. So
Mm-hmm.
I remember that feeling.
yeah, it has been 2 days, so it's not that bad. So a correlation on that.
So I'm gonna add to Nvidia. Oh, I didn't add to Nvidia. I'll wait for it. Add to Nvidia, there we go. Then put the original stop loss. And yeah, let's see if Nvidia really wanna push. Okay, so I'm gonna add the contracts on the futures now. It's true, I don't.
Order filled.
Oh, I got out my mistake.
Order filled.
Hey, there we go. That wasn't smart, like I said.
What was in Smart TV?
Instead of adding, I liquidated,
Mm.
and then I
I went long.
nice.
On 5?
Mm-hmm.
Right, so let's leave the SPY to do whatever it wants to do. Let's go back to Nvidia. So Nvidia here, I'm okay with the price I at, but like I want to see it moving soon.
Okay.
So it is kind of holding the VWAP right now. I kind of don't like that, but SPY hopefully doesn't make a higher high. Let's see. Well, we're gonna take a partial zoom on Nvidia again.
Did you take anything, Zach?
No.
The spy is not really going away from the level.
Buyers are stepping in.
All right, so that's another partial for Nvidia. Go little by little. Yalla, yalla.
Good job, Davey.
Merci beaucoup.
Got my guy taking partial.
Hey, he's all over it today, eh?
Yeah.
Look at you go.
Merci. You guys are funny, huh? But thank
Hey,
you.
we're
I-
your
I
cheerleaders.
appreciate it for sure. So-
Right? We're
Are
your
you sick, my guy?
cheerleaders.
Like, yeah, are you sick? Why are you taking partial? Do you feel bad?
Are you okay? Oh, that's funny.
Did you sleep well or what's happening?
I sleep okay. I have a big headache today, but I sleep okay. So
Nice. I told the joke to my professor.
And what did he
what
say?
did he say?
He knew it already. So.
Oh.
He said that they do that in there, like instead of saying like in English, we say so, or in French we say
P.
está.
Nice. At least now we know that he have a good humor sense. If he didn't
Sense of humor?
Sense of humor, yeah. If he didn't get offended by that, yeah, he's good. You can say the other one, the Mexican one I show you.
I said to my girlfriend like, Davey just teaching me jokes and bad words.
Yeah, it's funny because
Well,
everybody
she
say
must
like.
have been impressed.
Thank you, Marie. Everybody like say, "Oh, this guy showed me bad words," but I don't talk like you don't. You know that I don't talk like that in Spanish for real. Like I don't say bad words in Spanish normally, unless it's like, yeah, it has to be a very special occasion. But like, yeah, I normally don't swear. It's not. I don't know. You know.
Well, you got kids.
No, but like it's like I grew up not saying bad words
Mhm.
because at home you get killed if you say bad words, you know. So my parents just mock you if you would say bad words in front of them, but like I have memories that I was 7 years old and I say something wrong. The first time and the last one I say it.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh yeah. And I appreciate it, you know, because it's like it's not nice to be talking crap to people.
right?
Yeah, like at some point that's called education. so this future trade is pretty good right now. So I probably should be taking partial right now, right there. It's just a 1 hour, but you know, I think it needs to go to 6,848.
Okay.
But let's see. Octavia. You want me to say Octavia? For sure, my pleasure. Octavia.
What did you?
Somebody in the chat say, can you say Octavia?
Me gusta.
Yeah, like SPY, like the future is coming back up, but I think he has problem to go back up. So
So I took a partial.
nice. That's for Marie. Jala jala.
Jala jala.
So this level that I have right here is being tested a little bit too much. So probably I should reduce the size to half. Unless I'm okay taking the whole lost. Which I am okay taking the whole lost here. It's just I don't want to be working later to recoup.
Okay.
So I would prefer to have money in front instead of to. Well, let's see. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, Zach, what I was saying about the tape here, you can see, like for example, right now, you see here where it say volume profile,
Mm-hmm.
and you see like the bid and the ask. Sometimes you will see the bid or the ask, either of them, ramping up in number, and unable to hold, and that's normally not good. So that's like a type of tape reading there. So like right now, for example, you see how many people are selling right after it pop and selling, pop, selling. Like, but it can really like it doesn't have much hope of going above 686 right now. At least not the way it's trading, because it's finding a lot of heavy selling. Like look, it pop and it's like 75, pop 40s.
Order filled.
There we go. I got out there. So like, let's see.
So I went long.
Nice.
I'm going long too.
I'm looking long. Oh, going through higher high. Let's go. Oh, this is nice. I am soon to take a partial.
Order filled.
There we go. Now I have the level.
You have the 3 months level?
No, that's a monthly one, unfortunately. But it's all what I was able to get.
Was it there before today? Because you know how today affect.
No, my guy. It was today. He got printed today. Like I have some
On the
levels
volume
from,
profile?
yeah, I have some levels from before. I have those two before, like the 6,926 and 6,915. Those were here previously, but the rest of them I add them today.
So you know, like, because the month never went to that price,
Mm-hmm.
the volume profile is only 1 day. So you're trading a daily profile.
Yeah, no, because in my case I'm looking it's 2 months. So yeah, I can explain that to you later. But like, yeah, I have this month and the previous month. So I call it monthly because I have it in the time frame. It's a monthly, but it's from yeah, it's 2 month days, 2 month level. So in this
Where you
case,
got it?
because it never went there in the past month, it's just a 1 month level. So
Yeah, I see where you got it, and it's pretty good. I just draw the range and it's right on. Good trade, good trade.
Merci, merci. Well, we have to start partially because this thing is taking forever to go down. I don't know why it's not going down faster. It should be going down faster, but yeah, whatever. People are not feeling the heat yet. Maria, what did you have?
Got out. Actually, it wicked me out 3 times,
Ooh la la.
but made it all. So now I'm flat. So made it all back with the long that I took. So I was able to go long at 6,872,
Nice.
and that was really.
I'm
really
removing
good.
half right now. Remove half. Go down a little bit more. No. All right. You know I'm gonna make it dump proof.
I'm going along.
So
Yay.
I'm going along on my level there.
So I want to get those at a limit price. So that limit price is 680, 70.80. Can you get that price?
Fill me in.
There we go. I have another right there. So
Fill me in.
It filled me. I got it to the penny on the long. We'll see how that
Papacito, you
goes.
guys are killing it, huh?
We'll see.
It looks like a choppy day in between 2 levels. So
Exactly.
let's take advantage of that. This party, can you get me in? I got it.
I don't want to put too much thinking on your head, guys, related to that, but I wouldn't go long today at all. Like,
Like,
Oh, you're worrying me now.
no, it's just like I have this idea because I did work in the market during the weekend. So and like
That's true too.
the way I was looking at things, like, well, it's not really conductive to go long right now. So like I like look at Google. Google gave everything away. So it's like,
The map right now, if we're looking at the sector map,
oh no, it's like a bloody thing.
it's I'm sure I've got a red hue right now, and that's from the map.
Yeah. How do you call that? Red
A red
hue.
hue. See, so a glow, a hue,
Yeah.
a red hue, and that's from the map. Ole canole.
All right, so we're gonna partial on Nvidia again. We didn't add to the Nvidia. You know, that's unfortunately that we didn't add.
I like the long there, like it's absorbing on the.
Yeah, he liked Microsoft. He liked the long.
Yo,
All right.
Hey yo, hey yo. That's funny. Hey yo.
Ay. Ooh la la.
hell yeah, printing.
Hell yeah, me
I
too.
see you guys, your loans are printing.
I took one partial there.
Nice.
I'm almost. I took a partial too.
There we go.
That's nice. Let's see. I'm gonna take another one in the range and then hold it. Celebrate, or it doesn't.
6893 is big. Is it gonna get there? That'd be sweet.
Something that I see, Davey, that is bullish is the higher high and the higher lows today.
In the chart.
Yeah, the 1 minute chart.
Mm-hmm.
All the lows are higher and all the high are higher. See that it could be short, I don't know. But
So I moved my stop loss to keep 1R because it's far enough. I'm 4 Rs now. So let's go. I would really like to
Something
Take
I
a
didn't.
partial at 93, but we're losing strength here a little bit. So go, Davey.
No, no,
Sorry,
yeah,
I didn't
some-
mean to.
Yeah, something that I didn't see here is that I'm close. Like I put a 500 stop loss for the day here,
Hmm.
and like
Me too for the day is 500.
but I made a little mistake. Like I didn't see that I am almost $300 down. So I shouldn't be going that much in there. So
Mm.
or I take partials faster when I am red like that, or though I have a good price, I shouldn't be feeling any heat because
So the RSI keeps climbing.
So I took another one at the top. I have 2
Nice.
shares left.
Woo!
I'm taking partial quick because I feel like it's choppy today.
Good comment.
And yeah. It was a pretty nice trade. If I take everything there, I'm gonna be happy, but I'm gonna let it run a bit.
that's my guy. I saw that you are able to put a hotkey to break even too, so that was pretty cool.
Yeah. Like cats want to trade too.
That's what I hear for cat.
It doesn't make sound, so I don't know.
The temperature today is gonna be very important for us here. I'm doing a test.
It is warmer.
Okay, cool.
I'm not feeling any. That's true. You found a solution.
Oh wait. Yeah, there we go. That's the zone. That trade is done there. It should keep going down right now. My guy, like I like what you say about the bullish making higher high, but I didn't like the sizes of the candle of the pullbacks, because that's telling me that the sellers are a little bit aggressive. Like yes, they are letting it go somewhere else, but they are also being like heavy.
But like I think it will bounce back from my level again
Mm-hmm.
that I entered, and then go back up, and then something
Oh,
like that.
what was your level?
6879.
Yeah, 6. Yeah, like the real level is 681.92,
Okay.
and I got an entry a bit higher. So I put my stop loss that if it's making a lower low, I kept it stepping on my keyboard. If it makes a lower low from the previous low, I'll- a cat trying to trade, he doesn't have any money, man. Come on.
Come on, you don't give him money?
You don't have money?
You have to give him a couple coins, my guy.
Okay, you know
You
what?
have to learn to manage his life.
My prisoner,
Okay, so that's the level there.
he only needs to manage his croquet. So
His what?
his food is croquet.
Yeah.
You call that
Yes.
croquette?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't
hear
know
other
in
people.
English, I don't know.
I have heard other people calling it the same way.
Really, the croquette?
How do you call it? Flavors?
Never heard croquette for pet food.
The little round thing that you give them, it's a croquet.
Une croquette. No,
How do we want to get there?
that's true though that I've always talked English to the dogs and pets that I've had.
No Spanish?
Eh?
Oh, no, no Spanish?
Mi
No,
gato es español.
No, tu gato no es español.
No.
Es francés. Yo hablo español to Dumbo. A Dumbo, sí.
A Dumbo, sí. O con Dumbo. Well, a Dumbo, yeah. Because
Sí, con Dumbo, but
because he
Dumbo,
doesn't speak
Dumbo
back.
no hablas conmigo, pero sí, hablas conmigo.
So for NVIDIA, I'm gonna take another partial there. So I don't know what is going on with me on my partials, but yeah.
Ooh, look at you!
Ooh, I made a mistake and I add by mistake. So we're gonna take it that.
My guy, you're not sick anymore, you added.
Huh?
Okay.
It's okay, Zach. You know?
I said you're not sick anymore, you didn't take partial, you added.
Yeah, but I took it right away. That's why you took it back. I got you. Okay, I will be breaking even just because of how much I am risking. So I decided to break even on my trade on the futures. Because if I take the loss, the whole loss, everything I'm gonna be broke, and I don't want that.
Yeah, bouncing back from a level again.
Though I have the stop loss is on top of the level. Like the level is at 6,887, and my stop loss is right above that. So if he's gonna test the level again, I wanted to test it like precisely.
I don't know why I didn't have it.
The good thing about Nvidia is that now we have more shares, but the bad thing is that we can get stop out easier.
Okay.
So we're gonna have just to wait for that one. This guy is getting wiki here, so yeah, my price is reachable, that's for sure. So we see like this is some congestion here at around 6,881. So let's see what it wants to do. It will take time to go through that. That's for sure.
You see like the higher lows,
Yeah, I see it, but I also see the big red candles. So and that's what I see. Like those big red candles here, like they are indicating a lot of selling pressure. Though I don't look a lot at the chart, you know. Like I to be honest with you, I kind of ignore the chart. Like I trade my levels, and
okay, I'm out.
if they don't work, they don't work.
They got me out of the break even.
No,
No.
that's my guy. Why did you treat my guy like that?
Okay.
It's okay.
I'm gonna have to go, yeah. I have to go. But it's 1 hour a day, so it's pretty good.
Good
Ooh,
job, good
nice.
job.
That's my guy.
Good job.
If I took it all at the top, where I partial, I would have like 2.5.
Yep, I would have had 4.
Now we are in a race. Let's see who get to the
The combine first?
the combine first.
How much are you guys up?
I am in total. I am down $200 because I trade Sunday, and Sunday I made $100, but I was like kind of just playing, like I was figuring out how many contracts and things like that. But I don't have a lock-in for the hop. I only have a lock-in toward the downside. So, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be ready today. So,
But you're 400 up right now?
You're 400?
no me, but
No. He's this position is 400.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
But yeah, like yeah, I can make it. Let's see how fast. I don't want to. You guys are the best to tell me. Actually,
To what?
when do you think that we can get there? Like at the speed we are going. But like, what I see is that $500 risk is too little for a daily total loss. But I have to keep it like that just because I know we cannot lose more than 2,000 at the end.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yeah, mine is 400.
like I find that like but as we're gonna be making
Order filled.
Woo! There we go. So, yeah. So like now I have to look for a spot to add. But yeah, basically more than that, it's just
That was your position to the long?
no, that was my partial.
Oh,
It's,
hey, look at you.
And with the slip, there was a slippage on that one. It sinks so much that it make more than what it's supposed to make. But yeah, it's just like I told you guys that I wanna test because we have the bracket here, and those brackets does not block me. Like you will see me ramp. Like how many contracts is the maximum? 50. So you will see me ramping up the sizes very fast. Like I was trading with 10 contracts like, at some point.
Yeah, I did that sometimes. Like I do that sometimes while keeping my 100 stop loss. But,
Like basically I did the same here. Like I took that level, and what I was telling Marie, 6 contract, $200 is too much. I could go 12 contract in there, and I was going to be okay. But I don't feel comfortable yet. It's my second day just experiencing this, so.
Right?
But little by little, I will be ramping up sizes, and let's see.
yeah, like it's
We
the
can
same
say-
for me sometimes. Sometimes I enter and I only have like based on my stop loss, I only have 50 of risk. But I don't have the balls to add another
Yeah,
5 contracts to make it 10.
you are funny, my guy. So, but like my logic is if I make piece that I want to lose $200, and I see that I am like the stop loss is too far, I don't want to be like, oh, now I am losing. I want to maximize the share size, in this case the contract size. So like if I see that the stop loss for 200 is too far, I will add until we get at the price I say, okay, now here I am wrong. But yeah, let's see.
So you, Maria, how much are you up or down?
I'm down. I'm down about a little under 700.
Okay. Yeah, but you guys are more used to it than me, so maybe you'll catch up quick.
Oh, used to it? What do you mean? I started Wednesday.
Yeah, but I mean, I'm really conservative.
Yeah, like
You
you're
guys are
saying
more
that we're
aggressive.
more risk
Oh,
oriented.
okay, risk oriented.
Yeah, like I feel comfortable for sure. So
Yeah, I think you would feel more comfortable.
So I'm up at 1,000, almost 200.
Good job. You're well on your way.
nice job.
Yeah, trying to play it safe and make it like even if it takes a couple months, it's not that bad. So my goal this month would be another $1,000. Like the month started at the 15th, so did I pay the subscription?
Okay.
The goal would be to make another 1,000 maybe or more. And,
Okay,
So do the combine in 3 months.
nice. You see here, I'm adding whatever I remove. I know that my average
Order
price is gonna be
filled.
right there exactly. So I'm still breaking even on that trade.
So I gotta go, guys.
Okay,
At least I didn't lose today. So.
have fun, my guy.
Great job.
Yes. Take care. See you tomorrow for full day.
Ooh.
Nice.
Enjoy your day, Zach.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
So what do you see, Diddy?
I see more downside for now, but like it seems to be waggy. So there we go. There we go. Buyers are ramping it up too, but this is the place of congestion. So I think I'm gonna bring $1,000 in that trade. So I cannot make more than 1,500, which is awkward, but yeah, you know, whatever. They should be having another way to evaluate that.
Okay. Why?
Because there are other ways by which traders can make a lot of money in one trade without having to have a like, for example, it's like they don't want to determine, like, if you are lucky and you take the trade and you make $2,000, okay, good for you. But like
But then they'll ramp it up.
yeah, but like it's just to get to the combine, and then when you got the combine,
No,
then-
but they'll ramp up the combine. The combine will no longer be. If you do more than 50%
Mhm,
in a day,
mhm.
then they'll ramp up. Your combine will
Yeah.
no longer be.
Yeah, but that's what I mean. Like I know you can, and like I know what they will do. Like like, but what I'm saying is like, if you're evaluating a trader, like let's say I'm looking at your trade. By looking at the way that you trade everything or anything, I can determine if you got there, like if you got to 1,500 or above,
By a scalp or by levels.
or by luck.
Or lock.
Exactly. So that luck
Very
factor
true.
is easy to determine. So and that's why I say like why would I like not like right now, for example, like yeah, I'm already 430 something up. So but is that the trade? No. I know that this trade have juice to make 1,000, but I cannot let it go to 5 because then I'm gonna be penalized. So it's like how I'm being penalized by what you're saying. The combine will move up, and then whatever
Exactly.
I lose is like
They want to make sure, like you said, that it's not a one shot or one, right?
But this is easy peasy, lemon squeezy, you know. It's like
I love it.
look at that. We passed the congestion already. The congestion is gone. So it's a little bit crappy because of what Zach said today. The way that the price swank today.
Swag.
Swank
Swag.
The way that the price swank today is a little bit too abrupted, because it is so abrupted. It is adding a lot of
Yeah.
noise to the price action. So I am aware of that. Let me show off a little bit with the guys.
First day, guys. Yeah.
No, and the thing that we have in our favor here is that it's a very symmetric product. Like, I mean, I know we can read it wrong many times,
Oh God, yeah.
but it's just the symmetry of it is just easy peasy. It's more reliable than a stock. That's what I'm trying to say. You know.
Well, it's such a mix, right? So it's not one stock, but a
Yeah.
beautiful, beautiful stew.
So I can share something with you about the tape here.
Yeah.
You see how the volume profile?
I'm still not used to it. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right here, you see the size in there?
Mm-hmm.
Whenever that size go below thousands, like below the average, you are risking a reversal. So like right now, for example, I'm okay here. It's 4,000. It's gonna be very choppy. It's gonna be very choppy.
Yeah,
and
because
and
now
I
it's
can
going
only
down.
win.
There's 1,000 positions. Right?
Yeah, so it's gonna be very choppy until it get to 6,860, something like that.
Come on. You're gonna drive me nuts.
You want a trick? Press Control,
What was it? Control?
Control F4,
Okay.
and it will close automatically only the one that you have open. Baby, come back, come back. So I was 20 R up on the on INTC.
Okay.
Now it's losing 1 R. It's a, but as I say, I that for me is a swing trade already. You know,
Okay.
I wanna see it bleeding. Like I know it's a little bit counterintuitive, but when you're right, you have to be able to hold for longer. And like this price action here is not telling me that I am wrong, you know? At least not for INTC. So I'm probably gonna take half of my position for this SPY because it's fooling around here. I know we have a decent size here that I shouldn't be holding too long in there, but there we go.
What happened there?
Baby, come back, come back, come back. You saw that?
Oh, no, I didn't. Let me see again.
How do you feel this morning when you wake up and it was minus 22?
Ay, ay, ay. Oh, I love it.
So I'm gonna go and look at SPY a little bit deeper. So let's see what SPY is really doing. Hey,
Hey,
hey, hey, hey.
hey, hey.
He didn't really even try to break the. You see that big gap here?
Mm-hmm.
That doesn't look good, my guy. You know, like the way it's trading right now, it doesn't look that good. So, why? Because the attempt to fill up the gap is mediocre. It's really mediocre. So, there is a chance that we're gonna keep breaking down, but take it with a big chunk of salt because
The sector map,
sketchy is kind of choppy right now.
insane.
Yeah, like this is mayor, you know, like whoever knows behind, like something is going on behind, so it's okay. It's okay. Ray, do you have any good story for me? No, that's it. No,
No.
you fire.
I'm fired!
Good coffee, Ray. Good coffee. You're back.
Oh, you're hilarious.
I know I am. I'm kidding.
You are hilarious. I'm gonna take a little break.
All right.
2 seconds.
Baby, come back, come back, come back. Baby, don't go. So I want to make in this tray only 1,000.
1,450.
499.
Whoosh! Hope you don't have slippage.
Well, it will move off just 1 cent, right?
Slippage? I think you could be a little bit on the.
I got like $80 slippage in the one tray. Yeah,
That's
know
what I
you
mean. So that could be different.
This is my tennis ball. I'll be back.
It's on the table. We don't have enough coffee.
In my case, I had too much coffee today. Oh, that's. I just revealed the secret. No, I had to drink a coffee extra early because
Okay.
I'm up from 4 a.m. It's like the headache woke me up, so it's like, eh.
Wow.
So I took a coffee.
4 a.m. So, Davy. Oh! Oh! So we've got President Trump that's going to give
Order filled.
Yeah,
Look at
you're
you.
gonna. Yeah, I broke even in that one, so I'm coming back in.
So he is wanting to boost reproduction in the States. I got stuff
Order
there.
filled.
Yeah.
So he's working with pharmaceutical companies. I don't know how he's going to be doing it, but
So he's talking right now?
So apparently. So he's convincing people of. Not sure, but the market reacted to it. Are you going to make a higher high, Spy?
I just got a better price for my short. It's okay.
Strong RSI here.
No nice, no nice.
No, almost a higher high there. Higher high.
Do you want to say that the guy is not looking at the market?
Yeah, you think so, huh?
Yeah. I'm probably gonna get stop out in this one again. How can I make this thing to auto center?
Yeah, automatically? God, that would be brilliant.
I thought it was doing it when I traded Sunday, but like doesn't look like doing it right now. So
Okay, second candle high.
Order filled.
yeah, I'm out. But that makes no sense. So we're gonna go and take a look differently here.
Partial.
Nice. Nice for following your plan.
Well, following my plan. Getting back on my plan.
Order filled.
I wasn't following my plan. But,
Yeah.
RSI still climbing. 4 points from the high, the market high today, so we'll see. To your point, Davey, you know the orders that you were talking about?
Mm-hmm.
They dropped to 200. Right? So, good observation there that you were talking about.
Nice. Yeah, right now we are trading. Yeah, that's supposed to be the top, but like with this guy with the mic, who knows?
Okay, still pushing.
Maybe that's why, because I say that the push toward filling up the gap was mediocre. Now you're gonna get it, my guy. Now you're gonna get it. Yeah, for sure. But it's very annoying that he grabbed the mic every time that something's going on.
All the time.
He always have something to say about everything.
I'm sure somebody has him, right? He's got and hey, you know what? Market is taking a crap. Grab the mic.
Yeah, but when it's okay. When people are selling for solid reasons, it doesn't matter what you say. Like, yes, temporarily you're gonna be able to influence whatever thing you are, but then when you stop talking, they're gonna go back to their reality. And their reality is, that the market is selling for other reasons.
I agree.
The equities are not reacting that well to that. It's only SPY that is taking a higher high, and we can see a huge candle on that whatever comment he's making, but like the question here is, can he make a bigger promise? We're gonna see.
Holy canoe.
Mm-hmm. You did good in that loan, right?
Very good in that long.
Nice.
Wow, 3 for the dream. Okay. Oops. Cheers. Oh no. Oh no? But you did very well on that trade.
No, I'm red right now. I broke even on the other trade. I didn't took any partial,
Oh.
and now I am risking a full R. So
Set level. Do you have a level at 6908?
just give me a minute.
No problem.
No, I don't. I had a level at roughly 689.97. 6,897.
That's where your level is.
That's why I actually retook the short. Like, I have a short there that didn't work, and yeah, but if you break again higher, like, then it's like, well,
There we go.
it's yeah, it's trying to actually, but yeah, it's
Order filled.
Order filled. Now what I do? Take a nap, my guy. Take a nap. Let's do it this way. So
There's not a whole lot of move on the RSI to be moving, but it's still pushing. Because I'm thinking of myself of saying, do I want to close a position? But there's definitely
Order
still
filled.
some push, though there is some slowdown there.
yeah, I have a level at 6,000. 6,904.
Okay. You don't have 908.
No. Yeah, this thing is quite annoying. The fact that it doesn't readjust.
I know you've got
Order
to pull it
filled.
back, and agreed.
Right, so let's see if I am able to get back to flat. Well, yeah, that shouldn't happen. What just happened there shouldn't happen.
Can you,
Mute?
no, are you able to expand on that comment?
Yeah, like uh, I understand that this the selling that happened overnight or during the weekend is more related to a fundamental selling. Like it's a pullback, but it's fundamentally talking. How do you say that word?
Fundamentally,
Fundamentally talking, you can justify it. So, and then you have this guy that just grab the mic and say whatever he wanna say because it's like if he sleep with the Yahoo Finance open in his pillow, and and then he react like that. So like, yeah, whatever. Yeah, you can do that, but like I think, I mean, you can do that when you're the president, but I think
big push.
you don't change reality just by talking, though you do actually, but yeah. I don't know. Whatever, it's okay. That just gave me probably a gauge that whenever this guy is gonna be talking crap, I'm gonna be just going less contracts on that one.
Well, we don't know. Right? We don't know when he's gonna grab it. He grabs it whenever he feels
Yeah,
like
but normally
grabbing
you
it.
have the guys on the.
Yeah,
so you
yeah.
are able to like to
Yes,
say, like,
correct.
so it's just
But
like.
if we're already in a trade,
Yeah, I was breaking even on the trade that he was. When he grabbed it, I was breaking even. And I'm glad
which
I
is
was breaking
good.
even.
Yeah, that's a good.
But at the same time, like if you like let's say Anna Cullen was saying those things, and like it's very interesting. Like the market is like a big ship. Like once, like even if you are correct, those storms, like those reversal, because they don't happen like this, you know. So like let's say whatever fuel he brought to the market because of his comments had enough power to last like whatever it lasted, you know. So like it's so like like I that's why normally it's better if you are a trader that you are able to wait for the signals to be there. Like, well, it's better. It's easy. You have less stress when you do that.
Absolutely, yes.
I don't like that
agree.
trading, but like, yeah,
I
you
agree with
definitely
you.
have less stress
Absolutely.
because now you know that okay, now they are selling. Let me try now. Say less aggressive approach.
Okay, so the RSI just gained some strength there. We'll see. There's a little bit of a battle.
If that trade doesn't work, it's gonna be my last trade. It's gonna get me out, and then it's gonna block me. But I'm okay with that.
So the imbalance is switching to definitely the buyers. We'll see how that goes. I still have my long. I took 2 contracts of 5, and I only have now 3 shares left. 2 actually.
I like what you're doing. Basically, like you are putting your stop loss. Like, oh,
I'm moving.
Yeah,
I'm trailing
like-
it. Yes.
protect my profit here.
I don't want to lose more than that. I've been a little bit foolish of going into consolidation levels. So that really got me. I was up to 8 hours loss.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. And I believe I'm going to break even, if not with the profit. So, oof. I needed, you saw, like, really taking 2 minutes just to take a breather and do a little bit of mantra and, okay, come back and put some glasses
Order
on,
filled.
girlfriend.
Yeah, you see, I got blocked there. That's okay. Dismiss notification. Then I'm gonna look at how far it went. Video got me out too.
I find that with the weather that we're having, I've been dry.
Yeah, it is quite dry.
Okay, the RSI was almost at 70.
What?
How are the guys doing?
They haven't talked much today. Watch out! It's a reversal. Like like he got me out because I had an extra contract in there, like 2 contracts,
Okay.
and but it's looking like if he wants to go down.
A little bit of consolidation there, right? Woo! What the hell just happened there? Did you see that? Like, I saw that. What? Okay, something's gonna happen. Watch out. To Davy's point. Who's gonna win this battle?
Well, like in the house of who you are around there. And there you are in the house of the sellers. So,
Oh, I like that, eh? House of the Sellers. I'm not sure I want to discount the buyers, but
so
could
Nvidia
be
just
right,
shoot
Davey.
me out, and yeah, but I find it fun to trade those things, so it's pretty cool.
You enjoy it?
Yeah. And the levels are very, very solid. I can show you how I did it.
Except.
Oh no, they are solid. It's just like I traded the way I traded, you know.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
like-
I know what you mean now.
I misbehave as a trader, but like that's because I was very like how you say that?
Got me out with profit.
Yeah,
1.5 hour.
yeah.
I like it.
Very nice. So there we go.
Thank
That's for
you.
Marie. Yeah, like self-confidence was too high. So and it is high yet. It's just like I didn't have anything to lose. Like I mean, I didn't have anything to lose. I didn't have any cushion for me to be playing that hard.
Okay.
But it's okay. It's like I told the guys, I have the goal of blowing off the account purposefully because I want to see how heavy I can go without getting like off.
Okay.
Like in my trading style, like let's say today is a weird sample because 6 contra was good, but when Trump got the mic, 6 contra were too much.
Yes.
So
Because before that, it wasn't.
yeah, it wasn't harassing my position at all, or threatening my position at all. Because the whole goal will be to get to the point. Like let's say if you have enough cushion,
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't make sense to have a certain stop loss. So, like for example, I got shake out there. You see how I got shake out? I got the freaking right price. But I got shake out because I have a daily stop loss. So, it's okay. Tomorrow is another day. Okay. If they do a documentary about all the inside trading that is going on today, man, I'm gonna have to take vacation just to watch those things. What's up, Dumbo? It's okay, we don't count on that, you know, and we don't treat that as a anomaly. It's just no conspiracy theory, no anything. It's just what it is.
No, it's true.
Oy, oy, oy. That's a way. Baby, come back. By any chance, have you find a way to make it to force it to take partial for you or not? No.
What do you mean to force take partial?
It doesn't have any partial system, like the
No.
no.
Do you?
No. I haven't played too much with this thing. That's why I asked. Maybe you do have that. Okay. Because right now I can only say bracket stop loss,
Mm-hmm.
but all out to in the wing. So we kind of don't want that. Like we want the one side, but not the other side.
Okay.
I told you, man, this market is crazy, you know, crazy. It's like, what the heck is going on out there?
Big moves. Okay, so we've got the RSI still curling up. What the hell?
I had the clear decision of I'm not going long today. I don't care who grabbed the mic. I don't care what they do. I just won't
See,
go
I
long
just
today.
flipped and got the loss. So I'm gonna look at the signals, be focused.
Do you have time for looking at the levels or not?
Yes, of course I do.
Okay. But like I mean,
So it did not. So 67. So tough. So tight. So what do you have, Davey?
like where like you have to use one chart only to draw the levels.
Mm-hmm.
Which one you wanna use?
Right here.
Okay. So you will need your indicator there. The volume profile we need it there.
Okay, right here.
So go click on this thing here. So now click in the chart. Go here in 1 month. In here? No, in here.
Well, I'm putting it there.
Oh yeah, you have to. You do it like that.
So-
Whatever. Just put 1 month. It's easier by there because I don't know how to type 1 month.
Yeah, but I don't want it to both. 1 hour.
What you mean?
Okay. I'll do it here. Okay.
Move the price action all the way toward the left, as much as it can let you go. To the left, like all the way. There we go. Now, put a line, like right now, right there, in the gap between those two.
Un minuto.
Like it may bounce from right there
Bounce too low.
toward the high.
Okay.
Like it's interacting with. No, you cannot do that.
Okay.
Yeah, like now you're gonna have to wait a bit.
For why?
Yeah, there we go. No, that you cannot do that. Like
Why?
Because the level won't work.
Okay. Go.
So open the price like vertically. More.
I've got a small. Okay. I'm there. Mm-hmm.
So now go where the price is. The price is lower. Yeah. There we go. Without going right.
Okay.
Where is the price? Yeah. You're dragging the price to the right, so you have to be all the way to the left.
There's the price.
Mm-hmm. Get it to the left. There we go. Just wait. So that line that you see there,
Mm-hmm.
can you mark it?
Which one?
The space between the red.
This one.
Yeah, this one. Just put a line right.
Oh, that was my level. Remember, I asked you if you had that one. You said no. Okay.
And then another on top.
But this one.
No, not that one.
Oh, that's the top, baby. The red line is. Oh, you mean this one? Sorry. Okie dokie. That did not work well.
You're gonna get used to it.
I will. But
So
now.
you need to drag the price again to the left because now the price is to the right again. So take a line.
There.
Right, yeah, right there. You have to click in there. It doesn't go that way. It's a little bit below. There we go. There. Now go into your 5-minute chart.
Here.
Whichever 5-minute chart you have.
Here.
That's 15 and this is 15.
This is 5-minute chart.
Look at it again. But for some reason you don't have like those two. They are not linked. That's why. Because they are not linked, we cannot see the drawing in those. So yeah, you see how it's bouncing like from the price. So now we will need a line pretty much above. Oh, you can see it here. Yeah, there we go. In here you can see it.
Yeah, so it's bouncing
That's your 2
from that
minutes.
level,
Mm-hmm.
and my level was there.
Your level was a little bit below. Oh, I'll be back. Alright, we're back.
So you're still looking at that shirt?
Yeah, yeah. It makes no sense that it's going higher, but
It makes no sense.
no. But maybe you should ignore me because so one problem we have is that this thing is the farthest we can go. And that farthest we can go is not reliable enough. Because right now, I can show you here. Like if I go to the one I can go farther, like this one. Like
I'm sorry.
yeah, for sure.
You what?
We are back in the town, so we have like 20 more minutes before we close. Oh my gosh. My cousin said the market feels like a bubble.
It's what?
My cousin just said like the market feels like a bubble.
A bubble. What does that mean?
Inflated, but like
Oh, okay. Still pushing. Oh, let's go. Do a new high. Let's go. One new high. Are you in a position?
no, I only have Nvidia short and INTC short.
Okay.
And in the futures, I'm block. Block for the day. But I'm glad you didn't listen to me.
62, 65. Let's go. Okay. Yep, let's go. Still fight. Let's go. Oop, don't do that.
What about Google?
Pardon?
I'm checking INTC and I want to see how Google did. Yeah, it's recuperating too, but let's see.
You're still with Google?
I put the order to sell Friday. It didn't get filled up.
Okay.
And then I went and I analyzed it during the weekend. And based on my analysis, I decided to cancel the exit.
Okay.
Might be the wrong decision, but let's see. I don't think it's the wrong decision, but you know, like I didn't expect it to sink the way it sink during the weekend.
Okay.
Do you have any good stories, Maria? No.
No. Yeah, you know when we were talking about that I saw a movie this weekend? That it was Zootopia? I recorded it during Christmas.
Zootopia.
Zootopia? Like it's like somewhat like a cartoon type
I
of.
watch it too.
Oh, you did? So we never did.
I like it a
lot. Yeah, it was so good.
You remember the part?
The DMV. But it's so funny when he stopped, when they stopped the fast car, and he's in there.
Oh yeah.
God, I laugh so much.
I remember that part.
Yeah. So I was because it was I just couldn't do any more news. Like we were news after news after news. So I said,
I've been
hey,
watching news too a lot.
yeah. So I said, guys, let's. How about a movie? Well, I don't know, and so hey, we've got one that's recorded since forever. So Elaine said, oh yeah, I'd love to watch that one, and we watched that one. Joe was in and out of the. But I said, oh, I just need to do something different. Just something different than news. And it was there, so
Yeah, nice.
yeah, it's nice to just do something like
So-
because news can be
Yeah, especially today, it's kind of stress out to watch those news. So I see that the futures are having trouble to break back up. Like it attempt to go higher again, but it find resistance right before the level. I have a level here at this yellow line here. But yeah,
agreed with you.
doesn't look like if you want to pierce it again. But let's see. Hello. How are you doing?
Excuse me. Okay.
We are trading Nvidia, INTC, and the futures. But for the futures, I'm blocked already. For the future, I hit my maximum loss, and yeah, I'm blocked for the day in the futures. But in Nvidia, I did pretty good today. So in Nvidia, I went short, take partial twice. Like I partial at partial. Then I partial again. I add by mistake here, but then I partial right away. Then I got all short again. Like I add to the short. Then I got stop out here for a little loss. Then I shorted again, but it's not doing much right now. And my INTC is a swing trade, so INTC I have it from last week. So it's losing a bit, but it's okay. I have to sell it before the 22 because the 22nd they have earnings. So yeah, Marie's trading futures as well.
Mm-hmm.
So she
So
was
we-
going long. I think
So right now we're at the top of the level that we've put down there.
mhm.
Our RSI is still above 50.
That's for the futures, right?
Correct. So the RSI is still above 50. And it is at the bottom of that level.
What about you? What are you trading? Yeah. Yeah, we track them just to as a correlated product, but we do not trade gold or silver. Like gold specifically, we trade. We look at it because we know when people are buying gold is because they are concerned about something normally. But yeah, we do not trade those products. Maybe one day. Yeah, it's unbelievable that trade like gold is at all-time high. You know, it's like, and then it's counterintuitive because gold is going higher, the indexes like SPY, Nasdaq, they are going higher as well. So normally in the past there was an opposite correlation. When gold was going way higher,
Correct.
the indexes were feeling the pain. But yeah. Yeah, let's see. I'm looking at gold now. Yeah, it's unbelievable. Gold is insane. Yeah, I'm gonna just put it in this chart. Nice. Pretty happy for you. Yeah, like I was looking at it just right now as you mentioned it. And like this thing is loading slow, but yeah. Look at the all-time high that you were mentioning there. It's incredible. So you have gold doing that while you have the indexes pumping up. Of course, we know that SPY and everything took a little gap down, but we have been looking bearish from last week, I think. Yeah, maybe a little bit before, but we have been looking bearish because most of the prime products are trading at below the 50 moving average in the daily chart. But yeah, very nice. So, like for example, when we look at, let's say, Microsoft, like yeah, if you see the 50 moving average is this red line here. So Microsoft clearly going down. I think Apple was the other that was looking like that too. There we go. Apple way farther from there. So it's natural that we will ask like why the other things are not pumping down. Like that sounds counterintuitive, but like yeah, basically that's why I hold my short on INTC. That's why I'm more short oriented those days. Because in my opinion, it's looking bearish. I'm just gonna take a little partial there for that NVDA. NVIDIA. Yeah, it's approaching that price, so it's gonna swing a bit more. Um, let's let it do its things. Print a lower low. Yes. We are actually tape readers, but we we look a lot at the volume because basically the tape, we have the tape as a location oriented and a volume as a confirmation, like, okay, this thing is solid right here. So I personally couldn't trade without volume, I think, because I'm so used to it. But yeah, we do look at volume. It's our second main indicator. The first indicator that we look at is the tape, and the second indicator is the volume. I don't know if for you the second one is a different one. I know your tape is your tape, but the second one will be your volume too, or what?
I think it's I've got several, but for me, volume and tape needs to. So if we've got a volume at a certain level, then I'll confirm with the tape and vice
If it's
versa.
there, yeah.
Yes.
So I'm gonna take a little partial there for NVIDIA. Oh, I didn't do it. Wait for it. There we go. So yeah, like we look at the volume. Like for example, right now we can see clearly on the tape here that there is a big seller on NVIDIA at 180.00. 180.00, what it used to be, a level of support. Right now it's acting as a level of resistance, but it's not there yet. We have to wait for it to pierce it, and then it will act as a level of resistance. But like we can look at the volume profile on that one, and then we can confirm it at the tape. I have been trading since 2019. Like I started learning on November 2019. Then when COVID hit, by luck, I made decent money, but I didn't know what I was doing during that time. Not saying that I know what I'm doing right now, but basically like I have very limited information at that time, and yeah. But then when we got together like to trade, we have a more systematic way of learning, where we have a lot of interesting discussion here. We try to prove like, okay, is this strategy working based on what we are seeing? Like for example, one main strategy that we have is related to the tape. Like all our strategy are related to the tape, but we are fishing on the tape. Basically the level 2, we are fishing for bigger sizes. So, and we trade those prices that have bigger sizes. You still can get them wrong eventually because they might look long, and then it's like it didn't hold that good or something like that. But yeah, I have roughly 5 years trading. What about you? For how long have you been trading? I think Marie is like what? 3 years?
I believe it could be 3 now.
Yeah, 3 now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, in June. No, in June it's gonna be 3.
And through, yeah, that's right. That's
in
right.
June it's gonna be 3.
That's
yeah,
right.
for Marie.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, you have been 2 years. Yeah, like profitable. I have been pretty much just the last year. Like I did make money before, but it wasn't day trading. It was more like swing trading. So in the day trading, I was kind of just bleeding and bleeding until about a year. So it took me long to be profitable. Like I actually feel more dumped than others because they say roughly it's 3 years to get there. but like it took me more than 3 years
Well,
to get the grasp of it, you know?
Yeah, well, I don't know if it's a grass. I think that you were really upgrading your knowledge a lot.
Doing that wedge pattern here, so it has like a little flat top here, like flat bottom, sorry. Yeah, I totally agree. Like, you know, I shaved my head on November because I lose a lot of hair. You know, it's we cannot do much about it. You are not being rude, my guy. You are being very funny, and I like it. So nice.
What did he say?
He say like not to be rude, but the hair does say some stuff. You know.
To you?
Yeah. That's good. That's good. I don't take it in a bad way. That's good. So, all right. Like, what do you mean? Like your profitability or or the hair? Like, is it your hair like? Are you talking about your hair or are you talking about your profitability? So I think I'm gonna add more to Nvidia. Just right there. It doesn't look like if it wants to go. It may do a weird move toward the upside, but I have a good price, so I think I can handle it. Let's see. I add a little bit right there, so let's see. Ay. I wish you good luck with that one, you know? Like, I shave my head, and in order to get, like, my hair stronger.
And it worked.
It works pretty good, but...
It gave you strength.
But as you can see, you still can see that I am losing some.
Well, it didn't take you a week to lose, so it wouldn't take you...
Oh, yeah, for sure. No,
right?
yeah.
So...
Man, it's so annoying to be shaken out by the futures this way. I just got shaken out here because I add. Like, I add here, and then I add more. And then once it wick, it tests the level right here again. I hit my maximum loss on that one. So, and it got me out right there. So, SPY being a little bit choppy now. We know that Trump was talking not long ago.
Mm-hmm.
So when Trump was talking about, he was trying to, what did he say? Make more babies? Like, to
Yeah,
entice
you
people
would like
make more
to
babies?
increase the population of U.S.
Yeah, so when he start talking about that, the market reacts like very positive about it. But I think that that's a very good news. But at the same time, I think that the sell-off that happened during the weekend, this gap down here, is not related to that. So this is a different reason why the market came down that much. So my expectation is that whenever we run out of steam for whatever Trump say, we're gonna keep trying to go down little by little. So yeah, that's quite funny. Actually, I see that we can go way higher before we really turn back down. But like, let's see.
There's a consolidation a little bit here, but seems like there's still some buyers here. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think he just didn't like the comment that I made about mediocre push. You remember? Like,
Yep.
Like this gap here. If we have to put anything related to that gap, it's basically. Can you see that chart? 5 minutes. So the gap began right there. So that was
Lots of buyers.
that was the weekend gap. Yeah, it's kind of insane. Like a lot of volatility.
So to those levels that you were talking about, Davey,
Mm-hmm.
the next level should be 6903.75.
Yeah, I see you took some partials. That's nice.
Oh yeah, sorry. Yes, I
No,
did.
good, good, good. Nice. So. I have a swing trade on Google. I got Google like I got Google at 315 right here. A little bit below, but I like let's use 315. I know it was below, but like so as a swing trade, I have Google there. So I left a lot of money on the table here because I didn't want to go out like at 340. Like it went to 339, 339.90, something like that. Yeah, it went to. Come on, this chart is a little bit slow. Oh yeah, it went 340.20, something like that. So I didn't want to go out because my target was 346. So I had a target for Google at 346, and I'm second guessing here. Like basically, like, do I want to be out of Google for good? Like, is it still decent profit,
Mm-hmm.
or do I still want to hold for my price? And I did a little analysis during the weekend, and like technically, it shouldn't be able to go back to 315 before the 346. But I
Tell
don't,
me why.
because there is a yearly level at three,
Okay.
like I can tell you right now what level is that thing. So for Google, the yearly level I have,
And then maybe we can wrap it up.
yeah. Um, yeah, that would make sense. Like to wait for it to take the support. You know what? Actually, the level I have for Google that it shouldn't break is broken actually now. It's at 329. 329.00. Right, I
So
want to
that's
see.
not good.
Yeah, that's not good. That's not good. 5 minute chart. There we go. I am in the 5 minute chart right now, so there we go. 329.00. Right there. So that price here is the strongest support I had,
Mm-hmm.
but now we are trading below. So I have to take a decision there. So let's see how it does today, but like probably it should be out. So we're gonna start wrapping it up. So like for you guys that are watching, basically we trade here from 9, like we are live from 9 to 11:30 a.m. So from Monday to
Plus
Friday.
minus 15 minutes, as you can see. We're a little
Yeah.
bit later.
Sometimes we are a little bit late.
sometimes.
We are working on
Late
that.
in the
but
morning or later finishing. So,
yeah, like sometimes we have too many things to do in the morning, so
and right
it's
back.
kind of unavoidable.
Mhm.
So, but yeah, like if we can add any value to your trading or to your knowledge, like feel free to always ask to let us know. Hey guys, can you look at this stock or anything? So we will be
It'll
happy
be
to
our
look at it.
pleasure.
Just always knowing that what we can give you is our opinion only, and there is no market guru. Sometimes we have bad weeks and we lose a lot of money during the week. Like that was probably last week for me. I don't know. It happened a lot. So trading is a very uncertain game or job actually, and yeah, eventually that thing of always making money, we don't have that here. So that's why we say like make sure we read our disclaimer and know that whatever we say here is just our opinion, and whenever we can we profit from that. Whenever we are wrong, we pay the price for it. But yeah, so I'm gonna explain my trades today. I did pretty good in Nvidia in general. Let's start with the futures, because the futures is something I am just touching this week. So I want to make sure I get that elephant out of the room. Today I play a little bit too aggressive. Of course, I was making very good money at some point on the futures, but like I was too aggressive. I decided to no partial, so I went short right here before the open, and then I took a little loss here. Like that was a very low amount of contracts. So then I shorted again here, add to the short. I see all the profit going on here, and yeah, I didn't do much with that. Then I add to the short again. No, I got checking out right here, and then I reshorted again. Then it's making good money, and I partial here. That was a good partial. Then I add to the short again. Then I partial again. Then I was breaking even. I got stop out at break even right here. Then I shorted with too many contracts here, and I took a loss. Then I shorted again, add to the short, and it got me out when it wick this one here, because I was too close to my maximum stop loss for the day. So in the futures we are red, like we did poorly there because I didn't took any partial. Though my levels were correct, like if you see, this is the price I short when I shorted here, and it have been holding for good, like below that. In my opinion, I was telling Marie that today I won't be looking for long because the market is sketchy. I don't have strong reasons why to look for long right now. So we're just gonna wait and wait for those trades to manifest. So then on Nvidia, this is the one I did the best today on Nvidia. So let's see. Perfect. So 15 minutes. Yeah, you trade that way. I would check that out. 15-minute trade. Yeah, like, and that's not a too long because that's a swing, So that's a good suggestion. So I short Nvidia right here. I partial, add to the short, partial again, add to the short again, partial. I add by mistake before I partial, then I partial, then I add to the short, and then I got out here with a little loss. Then I shorted again, partial it right here, add to the short, and now I'm wanting to see Nvidia close to 173. I know that's an exaggeration, but like I think Nvidia cannot hold the prices that it's doing right now. Like you see the 180, he have 1,000 lot at the tape. He had that, so and it's not claiming it back. Of course, it's not making lower lows for now, at least know for the day. But that's what I'm waiting for before I partial again. And the INTC trade is just a swing trade. So I think INTC is too high. I saw it going all the way down during the weekend. And but probably I'm just gonna be out because they have earnings in 2 days. So INTC report earnings this Wednesday. So it's for sure I'm not holding short while it's reporting earnings. So that's a little bit too risky there. But for today and tomorrow, I'm okay. So so that's it for me. In the day trading, there is no swing trading and roughly green. So, but yeah, let's see. It's just Monday. We have to ease up a bit. So, what about you, Marie?
It's just Monday. Yeah,
Oh yeah, it's just Monday.
it's just
Like-
Monday. So absolutely that it was. Let me see that. Okay, so
So, Marie only trade futures from what I know.
correct. Correct. So I went long at the open,
Right
taking
here.
a position. Yeah, taking a position long there. Did not partial. Got me out at my stop loss. Went long again at 6873. That was a really good.
Yeah, she went on pretty much right here.
Correct. So that was an 8R. So I was able to retrieve everything that I
Very
had
nice.
lost. Then I flipped my position short. And obviously, it's not a complete short yet. And it was a very small pullback. And that created a 3R loss. So right now I'm about 3R loss. But here it's at a little bit of consolidation. But it seems like we still have some buyers. And it is at this moment when we're like, if I'm not mistaken, it's interacting with the VWAP right now. So we will see what's going to happen there. Because it seems like we found some buyers. We've got the RSI that's climbing back up.
So though the line, the point of control for me is at 688.70, 6,887 with 25. So with 50, sorry, and it's trading right below. So if you lose the VWAP going down that way, it's gonna get some expansion. So watch out. But I don't know. You don't have a trade right now, right?
Nope.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, cool.
No. When I'm looking at the balance of power, it's pretty much almost in a consolidation level. If we're looking at the RSI, it's around the 50. So we should be a little bit consolidating there. And we'll see what's going to happen. We know, right above the VWAP.
Look at the sizes that is getting executed right there.
Mm-hmm.
Like the bid and the ask is really ramping up. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, like 50. Yeah, oh my God. Like yeah, they are buying a lot right there.
Mm-hmm.
If you lose that, right. So anything else?
That's it for me.
That's it for you. Okay. So thank you for being there. Thank you for watching. And yeah, as I
Join
said,
us tomorrow.
basically we are here every day from 9 to 11:30. So feel free to let us know what you want us to look at. Thank you for your suggestions about the 15-minute charts. I will be looking at that because I'm a little bit lost on that trade. You know, I want to buy Apple, but I don't have more liquidity right now. So for me to buy Apple, I have to sell Google. So I will be looking into that. So, but let's see how we do. Let's see how it manifests. So, but yeah, if we can give you our opinion on anything, it's our pleasure. So I hope you have a good day, and I hope everybody have a good day. We're gonna
Join
be
us tomorrow.
back tomorrow. See you then.
Bye.
Bye.